Over here, Miata, which they never really get as much credit as they deserve, all right? Now, the inspiration, the whole motto for the design team when they were coming up with the Miata was Jinba Ittai. Whether I'm butchering that pronunciation, probably likely. But what that means is horse and rider as one. I'm gonna be honest, they nailed it, because the Miata, and Miata, the word, you think that you'd be surprised by the actual origins of the word Miata. It's like Gaelic or something. It's some kind of old terminology. But the Miata is one of the funnest cars you can drive. It's like, and it's not a surprise that it has been like, there's some kind of, it's either, I forget from the video I did on the history of the Miata, but it's like best-selling two-seater sports car repeatedly, like ever. And if you drive one, you'll understand why.